A virus is a submicroscopic infectious agent that replicates only inside the living cells of an organism. Viruses are harmless outside the body, but once they get inside your body, then they can do some serious damage. Viruses can enter our body through the eyes, nose, mouth, or breaks in the skin, and once inside, they find a host cell to infect. Different types of viruses attack different cells in our body. For example, cold and flu viruses will attack respiratory or digestive cells. The coronavirus, or the COVID-19 in particular, is a respiratory virus, meaning that they attack the respiratory system, causing sneezes and coughs. Other respiratory viruses infect our nose and throat, and some respiratory viruses infect smaller areas of one lung. But the coronavirus infects the entire respiratory system. Once the coronavirus enters your respiratory system, it infects millions of tiny air sacs called alveoli. A alveolus is located right next to a thin blood vessel called a capillary, and this is where one of our most life-sustaining exchanges happens. The alveolus is an organ that brings oxygen to the bloodstream and excretes carbon dioxide, but the coronavirus disrupts this whole process. When a single coronavirus is detected in an alveolus, an immune cell is sent to fight the virus, and sometimes it can even defeat the virus. If more coronavirus start to come into the alveolus, the body sends in more immune cells to fight the virus. But as the immune cells are attacking the coronavirus, they can sometimes damage the alveolus in the process, breaking down its walls. When this happens, fluid rushes from the blood vessel into the alveolus, filling it up and blocking the exchange of oxygen, and this makes breathing more and more difficult. This is what makes the coronavirus so deadly. You are being attacked by the virus, while at the same time your immune cells are causing damage to one of your most life-sustaining organs. All of this can lead to acute respiratory distress syndrome, which is what most people with COVID-19 die from. To beat this coronavirus, we need a vaccine to gain immunity to the virus. While the impact of this coronavirus outbreak is devastating, but we are able to learn from this. We are able to stay a step out of the virus next time during the next global pandemic, because there are sure to be more in the near future. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.